Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a crucial tutorial for all beginners. I will show you exactly how to deposit funds into your stake account correctly. I see many people making mistakes, sending funds to the wrong address, or missing out on deposit bonuses. We will fix that today. First of all, the golden rule of stake. Always play with an active promo code. The code hotcode gives you instant 5% rakeback on every single bet you make. Make sure you used hotcode during registration. If you didn't, you are missing out on free money every week. Now, let's fund your account. Click on the blue Wallet button at the top center of the screen. You are now in the Deposit tab. Stake is a crypto-first platform. You can see Bitcoin is selected by default. If you click on the drop-down menu, you can see all available options: Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, USDT, and many more. If you already have a crypto wallet like Coinbase, Binance, or Exodus, simply select the coin you want to send. For example, let's choose Ethereum. Copy the address shown on the screen using the copy button. Paste it into your wallet and send the funds. It usually takes a few minutes for the blockchain to confirm. What if you don't own any crypto? Easy. Switch to the Buy Crypto tab right here. Stake has partnered with MoonPay. You can use your Visa, MasterCard, or Apple Pay to purchase crypto instantly. Just enter the amount in USD or EUR, follow the instructions, and the crypto will be credited directly to your stake balance. It is fast, secure, and easy. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for the official link and the bonus code, hotcode. Thanks for watching, and good luck at the tables.